Go. Oh boy. He's pretty proud of himself. Oh. Yep. For sure. New freedom.
Come on. He's trying to get you out.
Oh. Jackson has found a new form of freedom. 9 months old. This is what he's been dreaming of. Whoa, Beth, slow down. He's trying to chase Kylie and just going to... Whoa.
You got me! You got me! We're just going back and forth. Go! Come here.
Don't go too
Come here, you
fast.
Come here.
It's like a dog sled. Oh, there he goes. Good job. Hop up. Good job.
Good boy.
It's like a little man behind a dog sled.
Good boy.
Good job, Jax.